Anyone can say that there's no BS on this channel here. When it comes to knowing who you should get your fitness advice from, you got to look at their credentials. So with me, I'm certified through NASM, and my relevant coursework is Essentials of Exercise Science, Concepts of Training, Nutrition, Kinesiology, Advanced Fitness Assessments, and Applications of Training. Now, it's one thing to have great credentials, but it's also important that with the credentials you have, you use that information when giving your fitness advice. So with me, I'm certified through NASM, so I make sure that I give information coming straight out of this textbook and showing you how to apply it to your individual needs. So basically, I'm trying to simplify the information out of here and then explaining how everyone's different here. So I'm explaining how to apply it to your individual needs. Now, if you're looking to build muscle mass or you have some injuries you need to overcome, this kinesiology book is where I'm going to get my information straight out when I explain how to do exercises with proper form. Now, when it comes to my fat loss advice, a lot of the information is coming straight out of here. This book talks a lot about the metabolism at rest and when moving. So it talks a lot about things like total daily energy expenditure, resting metabolic rate, the thermal effect of food, VO2 max, HDL, LDL, cholesterol, fasted blood glucose, triglycerides, and blood pressure. It also talks a lot about hormones too. Another thing we talk a lot about this channel is applying the advice to your individual needs. So we're all different. We all need different training programs to succeed. Just because you do what works for someone else does not mean it'll work for you, because you have different individual needs. To find your individual needs, you need to assess yourself. If you're not assessing, you're guessing. Once when you assess yourself, you'll find your individual needs. And then once when I know that information, I will know how you respond to the different types of training. So the goal of this YouTube channel here is to teach you how to be your own personal trainer. A lot of my videos start off, back in this video, you learned how to do this assessment here. Now, if you got this results on your assessment, here's what you'll need to do. If you didn't get these results, you got those results instead, go watch that video right there. So if you're looking to train smarter, you're looking to find out how you're different, you're looking to find your individual needs, you're looking to find out what you need to do that'll work for you, not what worked for someone else, and you want to make sure your information you're getting is coming from a credible source, make sure you first hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the future videos coming out in all my playlists. Then go to my squat form playlist and go to my posture playlist and go to my upper body fitness assessments playlist. Watch the first video in those playlists to find out how you're different, then find out which ones you need to watch below it based off your assessment results. For more information on how to use my playlist, go check out my Get Results video. Now for the videos in my stress and abdominal fat playlist, I always link these to government official sources that back up what I'm saying. In my long-term fat loss playlist series, I link sources from the Jack Daniels book. And then in both of those playlists, the first video there explains why this is gonna help. So I know it gets kind of boring when I make videos where I get all sciencey, but I believe that's very important to make myself credible, to show that this is not BS here. Alright, so I hope today you take action and you don't just go into a hard workout today without a plan. I hope that today you assess yourself and get down lots of good information about yourself so you know how to write out your training program that'll work for you.